Kamusta mga kaibigan? Let's talk about RA 6969, the Toxic Substances and Hazardous and Nuclear Waste Control Act of 1990. This law protects our environment and our health from toxic chemicals and hazardous waste. Dapat natin malaman ito dahil maraming industriya ang gumagamit ng mga chemicals na hindi alam kung paano ang tama na pamamaraan.
Tama, let's regulate the importation, manufacture, and toxic substance. Kailangan din natin ng permit at proper handling para sa mga ito. Halimbawa, mga pesticide sa agrikultura, kailangan din natin sundin para hindi makasama sa mga tao at kalangitan.
Kasama na rin dito ang tamang pagtatapon ng chemical waste. Hindi ito pwede basta-basta itapon sa kanal o ilog dahil ito ay nakakasira sa ating kalangitan at katubigan. May tamang mga disposal sites na ito like chemical waste disposal sites.
At syempre, nuclear waste management is also covered. Kailangan sigurado tayo na ligtas ang paghawak at pagtimbak nito. Kahit sa medisina, nuclear energy, o research, strict rules apply.
Halimbawa, pag nagtapon ka ng mga lumang baterya sa regular trash ay mali yun. Dapat itapon sa designated hazardous facilities. Let's do our part to protect our environment.
Nag-i-endorse sa RA 6969, may mga penalties kapag lumabag ito sa kanilang regulation, gaya ng multa, imprisonment, at nakadepende ito sa mga violation na kanilang ginawa.
Go!
Bilang mamamayan, pwede tayong mag-report ng violation sa DENR o local authorities. Awareness at action ang kailangan.
Sa bahay, pwede naman tayo magsimula. Like segregating chemical waste, disposing it properly, and reducing chemical use.
Edukasyon din ang susi. Kapag alam natin ito, mas makakagawa tayo ng tama.
Let's spread the word about RA 6969. Protect our environment, protect ourselves.
And that brings us to the end of our deep dive into Republic Act 6969, but let us not think of this as just an ending. This law is more than just rules and regulations on a piece of paper. It's our collective promise, a powerful commitment to creating a safer, healthier, and more sustainable future for everyone. Managing toxic substances and hazardous wastes responsibly is a huge task, but it's a duty we share. It's for us, for our communities, and for every generation that will follow in our footsteps. So let's stay informed, let's keep innovating, and let's work hand in hand to protect our beautiful planet. The choices we make and the actions we take today are literally shaping the world of tomorrow. Let's build a future we can all be proud of.